Alright guys, so this is part 2 of how to ride a dirt bike. So now that you've practiced, right, a while, gone how to pull out and drive in first gear, now you're wondering, well, how do I go faster? So you're gonna have to shift. Now, for shifting, what you're gonna wanna do, right, so you're in first gear, you're going, right? Now what you're gonna wanna do to shift is let go of the gas, pull on the clutch, come up. Now from first to second, it is a little harder because you have to go through neutral. So you have to go all the way up, then you let out the clutch and drive on the gas. You don't have to go like this with the gas once you're shifting, since you're already going. So you could just let out the clutch and go. So that's the basics of shifting. Now you also could shift with the gas in, just pull on the clutch, shift up real quick and let it out. That's another way, but I would practice letting out the gas, pulling in the clutch, shifting up, letting out the clutch and gas. Now when to shift, since there's no speedometer on here or anything, you basically just got to go by sound. So when the bike gets loud, you shift. When it gets higher of more noise, you shift. And that's basically the indicator when to shift. So now when you're downshifting, when you're gonna stop, because you gotta stop sometime, what you're gonna want to do is let out the gas, pull on the clutch, and step down on it. And just keep going down however many gears till first gear. Then you let out the clutch. Now if you're gonna come to a complete stop, just keep the clutch in. Now there is another way of downshifting, and this way is a little better, but you should practice the first way. The second way is not having the clutch in and just shifting down, which you could do that with a bike. Now with cars, you can't do that, so don't try that. But with a bike, you could. And there's actually a lot of benefits in doing this way. Because if, for example, you're racing, and because as you can see, if you're in neutral or the clutch is in, bike goes freely, right? But if you're in first, there's resistance, or any gear. So if you're slowing down, that resistance will help slow you down, added with the brakes. So that's another way to downshift. So now let's see how it's done. Alright guys, so once you pull out, and that's how. We'll show you one more time. So guys, that is how you shift. As you can see, it gets louder. Pull in the clutch, kick up the gear, let it out, go, gets louder, pull it in, get up, go, gets louder, and there's repetition until you run out of gears. So that is how you shift. And once you practice it, it's really not that hard. And I kind of forgot to pull my goggles down, so there's some stuff maybe in my eye. So anyway, I will see you guys next time, and we will be back for part 3 of how to ride a dirt bike. See you guys next time.